Competition, definitely what it's all about. I love winning and I love the challenge of trying to get out there and get in front. Very difficult category, and so the challenges are quite high, and that's what we enjoy.
It's an engineering challenge, it's a teamwork challenge, and the biggest thing for Rick and I as drivers is the physical challenge. You're in the car halfway through a race and it's 60 degrees and you're sore in places, you're sweating, you've got salt in your eyes, the tyres have gone bad, the brakes have gone bad, and you're struggling with the car, and it's about getting that mental edge to try and, you know, just go that little bit better than the guys around you.
The Harley Davidson relationship is absolutely fantastic for us. On the commercial side of things, having an association with one of the most recognisable and phenomenal brands globally is just unbelievable. You don't want to be just a follower in this business. You've got to be a leader, a market innovator, and from our perspective, I think we're certainly starting to make good inroads from that, and a number of teams are starting to recognise that, which is always nice as well.
Being owner-drivers definitely sets us apart at the moment. Having two brothers in one team is a big thing for myself and Todd, and it's a big thing for us to work together to try and succeed, and so far we've really enjoyed it, and hopefully we can go all the way to the top.
Rick and Todd are the directors of this team. They run this team day to day, and they're also our two lead drivers. The boys have different strengths within the business. Todd is very technically minded, and that's the focus of where he works, and for Rick, it's more on the commercial side, working with me. These guys are about as good as you'll get in terms of skill on track, and they've been able to bring that back to the business side as well.
We have about 40 people full-time in our team to run 4 cars, and we do absolutely everything in-house.
We set up this team to ensure that no one outside of us would really control where we would go. So we're responsible to ourselves in every way, shape or form.
From design through to manufacturing, through to getting the cars on the track. It's all about ideas, as many ideas as we can have every single day on how to make the cars faster, how to do things better as a team, and how to put all that together to try and get a result is it's what we wake up every single morning to try and do. A lot of people look at what we do and see cars running around on the track. It's so much more than that now. There's almost as many people up in the office sitting behind desks as what there is that actually prepare the cars. It's such a huge game. People don't actually realise how much goes in behind the scenes. We're very lucky that we've been able to associate brands with our team that we've always idolised and Rick and I have grown up with. So to have Harley as a sponsor is fantastic, the sticker on the car, but to walk around and have a fat boy and a couple of bikes lying around the workshop is just something else, and that really lifts the whole team up. The guys walk past and new people walk into the team and go, oh, look at all the gear these guys have got. It's just massive for us, so yeah, we're extremely lucky to have that partner on board.
And having that logo on our car is something that we're proud of. When you look at car racing, you need sponsorship to go racing, but you can only dream of having brands like Jack Daniels and Harley Davidson on there because they are such iconic brands, and that really tickles us. And to get results out on the track representing those guys is what it's all about, and very rewarding for us. So that also, as much as a competition in our category drives us, so does that.
For us, it's about building a brand around our racing team, and the association alone just does magnitudes for us. So Harley Davidson is a really important partner. Their investment in the team is critical because it helps us to continually go forward. We'd really hope that this will go on forever and a day. We've got very long-term hopes of remaining in this business, and Harley Davidson, we hope will get mutual benefit out of everything that we're doing here. So we can always hope if we continue to do some great and innovative things together and help build each other's brands collectively in this market, I'm sure there's long-term success ahead.